Yesterday, the price has created a bullish candle. We can see that the price is still in between the resistance level 3357.05 and I have added as additional support level 3314.79. Inside its range area, we can see that the price is stuck for 2 days, and we can see yesterday the price was trying to move higher, where we have a large wick on the upper side, small wick on the lower side, which means there was a bullish trend pushing the price outside of this range area, but not so strong enough to push the price even further out. We can see also that the price has created a bullish candle where the close price is above this area of open price of this candle, which means a small resistance level that is visible here in between these two candles has been broken to the upside, which means the buyers are much stronger currently, but not enough to go even further above this area of resistance. Yesterday, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see what has happened on the market. We can see that yesterday the price was dropping down to this area of support 3325.28 and returning back above to this area of resistance 3343, and then returning back down again, trying to move further down because of this selling pressure that has been created, but not successfully. The sellers could not push the price further down, reaching this area of daily support, but the price is returning back above, and we can see a pretty strong bullish candle with a large wick on the upper side, which means something has happened on the market. High volatility has happened and the price is trying to move higher, but we can see the price could not go above this area of resistance 3357.05. From here, this means that they are selling pressure. The sellers are waiting here, pushing the price down, but also the buyers are here waiting and also pushing the price higher. So it is the fight between the buyers and the sellers between these two areas, which means the price needs to find its way out to continue in any of the directions. We can see that currently on the 4-hour time frame we are in the uptrend, where the yesterday was trying to move down further, cancelling this small uptrend. But we can see that currently the price stuck inside this small range area, which means there is no strength strong enough to push the price in any direction. No buyers, no sellers. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see similar scenario where the price has reached this area of support, which I mentioned yesterday that the price was trying to move further down, but unsuccessfully the price has risen in value, returning back down, and then we can see a pretty strong volatility on the market. Something here has happened on the market. We can see that the price was jumping and also large wick here visible on the chart, which is not usual. That means there was news affecting this market movement. After that, we can see the price has continued to rise in value, reaching the daily resistance level 3357.05 and then returning back down. And we can see the price is currently heading down below the area of support on the 4-hour time frame 3343.00. What we can expect based on this, what has happened yesterday, what we can expect that will happen today. First of all, this is a bullish trend showing on the market where the price is closed above the small area of resistance. This is 3343, a resistance level which is visible on the 4-hour time frame. It is 3343.00. So the daily shows that there is a bullish trend here pushing the price higher, much stronger than it is the selling pressure to pushing the price down. So in this case, on the daily time frame, we have much more buying strength than it is selling strength. Here on the 4-hour time frame, the price is currently going below this area of support. Will this candle go below on the 4-hour time frame, or it will be just try, like in this example, the candle before, where we have a candle going down, but then the close price is above this area of support, which means buying strength is much stronger than it is selling. Now, if the price is the next candle goes below this area of support, this will be indication of the selling pressure going all the way to 333.2.99 as the next support level. So it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price is already created a bearish breakout going below, and we can see their target has been reached with this candle here. Now the price is trying to continue to lose its value, continuing this bearish breakout, targeting again, which has already been reached. Now we will see, will the price manage to stay here, or it will go further down, or it will return back up. So it's very important to see on the 1 hour time frame, will the price manage to go below this area of support 3337.48. Now if the price goes below this area of support, the next target will be 3332.099, which is also a very important support level. But also 3343.00 is very important for the 1 hour time frame. If the price goes above this area of support, of this resistance currently acting as a resistance for the price, this will be indication of the daily, showing us that the buying strength is much stronger. It will also show that 4 hour time frame support level is still holding, and also the buying strength here much stronger than selling. So there will be 3 time frames showing the same direction, which means rising in value. But for that, we can see that we need to see how price behaves around this area of resistance, and also how the price reacts around this area of support on the 1 hour time frame. So for now, I'm waiting to see how the price will behave to determine in which direction we'll go. After the price defines in which direction to go, this will be signal in which direction to trade. So when the breakout happens, like in this example, we can see that here it is a bearish breakout happening here on this area of support. The price is forming a bearish breakout, targeting the next support level, and the price has reversed it and then continue to reach the target. So these kind of breakouts I will share inside the premium analysis with the traders. When this happens on several symbols, you can see them here. When that happens, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the entry level, with the stop loss and take profit level. So feel free to check that, join. The link will be below in the description, so you can also check for yourself if you would like to join. See you inside, and that's all for today. Happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.